So I've made a bit of an exhaust gasket there using a bean tin that I chopped up. These make great if you have a leak or if they're leaking down through them little splits there. So that's what I'm after doing. So we'll give it a start. It will run for a little while, turn on to petrol until this gets hot. When that gets hot, it'll just literally, no choke, no throttle. Probably blowing a bit, is it? Yeah, it's still blowing a bit at the back there. And you can hear a bit of a miss in it. That coil is earthed straight away, so it's taken away from the spark. You can hear it spitting there. So hopefully now when that coil arrives this week, it'll be getting a bit more of a spark. With that little miss in it should be coming over. So it's just not happy when it's giving revs, because I think that coil just isn't throwing out the power. And the longer it's running, the more spitty it's getting. So I'm not fussed about an exhaust blowing out. I can cut a bit off, but those splits in it are too high anyway. But apart from that, I think it's fair to say the valve clearance is good. That's worked out well. It was something that definitely needed to be done. I'm after adjusting the brakes on it as well. This side was working brilliant, the other side wasn't. Our charging light's working, so let me give it a rev. When you give it a rev, it goes out, and when it's ticking over really low, it's not charging, but you'd understand because it's sitting there at 500 revs if even. So that's it. He's the culprit.